I'm giving you a citizen. I'm giving you a...
Tensions rise on a quiet street when a driver confronts a patrol officer head-on. One missed blinker, a blocked lane, and everything spirals. Voices sharpen, cameras roll, and emotions flare. What begins as a routine moment turns personal fast. Respect questioned, rights demanded. In this raw exchange, it's more than a traffic stop. It's a challenge to authority, caught in full view.
90049 and 428. Blocking the road. You ain't even fucking doing right here. Yeah, they're blocking that. Oh, now you want to move. That's funny. Fucking come. They move when I get out. Of course, that's exactly what they do. No blinker. Oh, there's your second. There's your second one right there. I don't need to. You didn't use a blinker. You're not gonna treat me like this.
Okay.
I'm calling it. You blocked my traffic. You blocked me from going through, and I have that right. What's your badge number?
3180.
All right, get your supervisor here right now.
Okay, for what?
Because I'm a taxpayer, and that's what I said.
Okay.
Get your supervisor here right now.
Okay. Can I help you with something?
Yep. Because your professionalism and how you just drove and how I have it on camera, I want your supervisor here. I'm a taxpayer. You can do your job right. Turn your body cam on.
It's on.
All right, get your supervisor here. Pull the fuck over. I'm giving you a citizen. I'm giving you a ticket right now. You didn't use your blinker. You're blocking traffic. You're not in professional capacity. You're still blocking traffic. Get your supervisor here now. Get your supervisor here now.
If you keep yelling and pointing your finger at me, you're going to be detained in handcuffs. Okay? Because if you attempt,
give me your card.
If you attempt to approach me,
I have that right. I have that right.
To do what?
Get your supervisor here, boss.
I need to tell him what you need him for.
I want to make a complaint on you for blocking traffic, and then for you not using your blinker, and for you driving erratically. Get your supervisor here. I don't need to say no more to you and to your supervisor here. Federally, if you're violating my rights, I'm going to sue the fuck out of you. Give me your card right now.
I'm just trying to ask.
Give me your card right now and give me your supervisor. Do your job.
Okay. Hi, Justin. How are you?
You know me.
Sure do.
Yep. So this motherfucker right here, you didn't use his blinker. Call your supervisor. Right now.
Dispatch is on the radio. I can't.
You can actually.
Wait for her to
I
stop.
tell you what. You better get a CIT officer here too, because you disrespecting me like that. You being a disrespectful fucking punk like that, it will not tolerate it. Okay. You're gonna lose your job. IA's gonna get a call. Do it, bitch, do it.
Okay.
Fucking arrest me, motherfucker. You piece of shit, trash. Give me your ID too, boss. You're a fucking trash officer.
There you go, sir.
Is this supervisor coming? If you leave without your supervisor, I'm gonna fucking. Do it, bitch. Pull over. Get your supervisor. You're not leaving. Dumb fuck. You fucked up. He better get his supervisor here. Suck my fucking balls, bitch.
The officer drives away, but the anger doesn't fade. Accusations fly, threats of complaints echo, and a citizen pushes back harder with every word. Behind the flashing lights lies something deeper, a demand to be heard, a refusal to be dismissed. This wasn't just about the law. It was about power, pride, and the fire that ignites when people feel disrespected. Here is another case. A quiet street, two people walking, a camera recording. That's all it takes for suspicion to rise. Questions fly, commands follow, and suddenly freedom feels like a negotiation. The law arrives, but justice feels far. In these moments, a phone becomes more than just glass. It becomes your voice, your witness, your only defense, because truth, once captured, speaks louder than assumptions.
There's a woman that lives in the neighborhood that called, so I'm investigating. So
I don't want to give my ID.
Sir, at this point, you need to identify yourself. You're under investigation for a crime. If you do not identify yourself, it is a criminal offense.
Okay, I don't want an ID.
All right, go ahead and turn around. Place your hands behind your
Texas
back.
3802.
Are you detaining me?
Are you detaining us?
Right. I just have another officer coming.
Just do yourself a favor and just go back in your car.
I'm just called to a call for service, guys. I'm just trying to make sure everything's okay. There's concerned citizens that are calling. There's a concerned citizen there that's been following you guys. I'm just trying to investigate and do my job.
You've already done your job. Just go back in your vehicle.
I'll go ahead and wait for another officer if you want to see.
So are we detained?
As of right now, I don't have anything that you guys have committed a criminal offense. I just have a gentleman that has been following you guys, another person that has said that you guys are looking into vehicles. It just seems suspicious.
Hey,
so I'm out
your
here.
Your door's unlocked over here.
Okay.
You got guns in the vehicle and you got it unlocked.
It's locked. My gun is under a gun lock.
I know, but you know, it could be mistaken. Somebody could get in there and take the gun. But it is unlocked.
It's locked.
But did you lock it?
Yes, sir.
You just
Thank you. I
locked it?
appreciate
Okay.
it. I appreciate that. Thank you.
I don't want to bump into you or anything.
I appreciate it, sir. Okay, I'll get your information in a little bit.
So are we detained?
As of right now, I'm just investigating.
Okay, because you did tell me to turn around earlier, and I just want to clarify.
As of right now, no, because I
Okay.
don't have a criminal offense, but it is reasonable, you know, based on what's the 2 calls, 1 call.
There's 2 calls?
There was a call for service that came in, and the gentleman right here that's indicating that he observed some unusual activity. I'm just investigating,
Okay.
guys. I'm just investigating.
Yeah, I don't want to walk off because it don't seem like I'm running, so we'll wait for the other unit.
Okay, I appreciate that. And I appreciate you guys being cooperative with me. I'm just trying to do my best with the information that I have to make sure that there's no criminal offense that's being committed out here, all right? If everything pans out, we have nothing, you guys are free to go at any time. As of right now, I don't have a criminal offense, so I'm just doing my job to investigate what's going on.
All right.
Oh my goodness, it's hot. Would you guys mind if we walk into the shade a little bit?
You're in the shade right now, aren't you?
Oh, where do you want to walk over to?
No, just
You want to go by your car in the front? We go,
yeah,
okay.
just it's a little bit cooler.
Yeah.
If y'all don't mind. Oh, thank you. That's much better. So, do you guys just concerned citizens trying to make sure everybody's safe? Is that what y'all do? Just make sure everybody's safe in the neighborhood? Because I know that there's people that do criminal neighborhood watch. They observe. They make sure people are safe and doing that. So if that's what you guys are doing, then there's no harm, no foul.
How tall are you?
Is that important, sir?
It's very important.
I don't see how that's relevant.
It's relevant. How tall are you?
He wants to help you go in the neighborhood.
Not at all.
I'm sorry?
Not at all, ma'am.
I couldn't hear
Are
you.
you single?
That's not important.
I didn't see a ring, so I thought you were single.
That's not important. I appreciate you asking.
What time do you get off?
I'm not going to answer those questions. So that's
6 o'clock? You get off at 6. I mean, it's.
I'm just asking what the height requirements are. That's all.
He likes shorter girls. So
No, that's not it.
Who is this guy?
I'm not sure, but apparently, I mean, he's
Is he an
concerned
officer?
enough. No, I don't recognize him, but he's concerned enough that he stopped. So, and the only reason we came out here is because that call for service.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Nobody made contact with us that someone called. I don't know.
You're like 4'11".
Sir, I think that's irrelevant at this point.
It's very relevant. I'm just asking what the requirements are, what the height requirements are.
I don't have that information. So, I mean, honestly, the only information they provided is that there's 2 subjects walking in the neighborhood, looking into vehicles. So, you know, if I'm not finding anything, you guys, I mean, all I'm doing is just having a consensual encounter with you guys, investigating what's going on out here. I'm just trying to do my job. People are calling this in. That's it. And then when I arrive on scene, this gentleman saying that you guys are walking around. So it just,
I don't know
as you can understand,
I don't know what he said or what he saw.
he seems concerned enough that he's following. I don't know. But I will, as soon as another officer gets on scene, I'll go talk to him and see what.
Yeah, make sure you get a statement from him too. You know.
Okay. It's on camera, so I'll just talk to him. It'll be recorded. I just want to make sure that somebody else comes on scene so I can go ahead and make contact with them. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Basically, you got a call for service that there was guys looking into vehicles. There's another guy that pulled over when I arrived on scene.
So are you part of this? What's going on?
Wait, let me just talk to you real quick.
Okay.
Other guy arrived on scene. He just says he's been watching them. I'm gonna go get some more information. As of right now, we don't have a criminal offense. They mentioned that they're just watching around the neighborhood, looking to see if there's anything out of the ordinary in vehicles.
Well,
or whatever.
not we. I ain't say nothing to you.
Oh, I'm sorry, not you.
Don't put me in that.
So they didn't admit to anything. They're not. There's nothing to basically
Okay.
say that there's an offense, but I'm gonna go ahead and talk to the individual.
Okay. So, sir, what we're going to do is you are legally detained because you are the reason for a radio call, okay?
Well, let me get on the sidewalk then.
If that's what you want to do, sure.
Go ahead.
Okay? So until we figure this out, everyone's just kind of, I mean, granted, we could cuff you, but we're not going to, okay? Stop. If you keep walking away, I
don't like people approaching me.
Okay,
Keep your
listen
space.
to me, sir. Okay?
I got this mask for a reason, dude.
Listen to me.
6 feet.
Listen to me.
That's fine. I'm listening.
Okay?
I'm listening.
If you keep on backing up, I am going to handcuff you and put you in the back of that car until our investigation is over. Okay?
Ain't nobody leaving. I'm sitting. I just want to
I
keep
know,
my
but every
distance.
time I step, you walk away.
Yeah,
so tell
because
me that
do you not
listen to
understand what's
me.
going on in
Just
Texas?
listen. All right, you can record. You want to do your thing, that's fine. But I'm telling you, you're legally detained.
That's
until we
fine,
figure
bro.
out What's going on?
And for what
All right?
crime? What am I being detained for?
Apparently, there's someone walking in and checking out vehicles. That's what we're here for. Okay.
I'm gonna plead the fifth.
So until we figure this out, if nothing's going on, you guys are free to go and do whatever you want. That's totally fine. Okay.
What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge
Who
number?
are you?
Who do you think I am?
I don't know, because you're hiding your face behind a mask.
Who are you?
My name's right here.
What's your name?
So,
I already asked you first, so you we could play the game. Badge number's right here too.
You want to be a tyrant?
It's right there.
Okay. Yeah, right here then. That's
I'm gonna get
All right.
that.
Sure. Well, what?
Okay, let's go ahead and tell this idiot that. Hey, did you hear your officer?
We don't have
Who?
a criminal offense, sir.
Okay.
No criminal
All right, you guys
offense.
are free to go.
Okay, are you done being
Goodbye.
a dickhead?
Goodbye.
Are you done being a
Goodbye.
dickhead to this guy?
Bro.
Goodbye.
What's
Goodbye
that?
to you.
Goodbye.
What's the name and badge number,
Criminal
dude?
offense, right
Good,
there. You
goodbye.
heard it. What's
Goodbye.
your badge number?
It's right there. You can see it.
What's your badge number?
Hey, sir, what's the name and badge number, dude?
My name's Officer Goodbye. Badge number.
Badge number. Appreciate you, man.
You're the tough guy.
What about you, man?
Talking to that
What
guy
about
over
me?
here.
What's up?
Name and badge number, dude.
Name and badge number.
So if I get close to you, because I can't see it, I'm gonna get it on film.
No, that's go ahead.
I'm not gonna touch you, bro.
Okay, I got you.
All right.
You're fair enough to do that. I got it.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
You done? Are you done?
I guess we're done because you guys have no criminal offense. So I guess
So what
we're.
was the reason for you coming up all aggressive on this guy?
Say what now?
What was the reason for coming up all aggressive on this guy?
That wasn't aggressive. I was letting
that
him
wasn't
know that he was
aggressive?
legal. You let me finish?
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. So I was letting him know, actually both of you, that you are legally detained because
For
you're the
what
reason of a radio call that someone was burglarized.
Okay, so you could just detain somebody?
Detaining, yeah, for investigation.
what?
It's called investigation.
Investigation for what? What did
For
you
a
call
crime.
here for? What crime?
I already said it twice.
You didn't tell me. You told me.
I literally did just tell you because you asked.
The patrol ends, but the wait remains. Eyes followed, words questioned, rights measured against appearance. What began as a walk turned into a test of patience, awareness, and restraint. Officers leave, but the footage stays. And that footage, it reveals something deeper, that liberty must be guarded, even when silence seems safer. Cameras don't argue, they remember. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.